Yo, what is because sports video ay titingnan natin kung ano nga ba mas malakas. Astral spray na left or astral spray na right. So, go! Boom! Yan na sila guys, no? So, let's go! So, yan. Focus camera. Okay na ba? So, So, yun no. Ito munang right, left of course kasi ito nga yung una. So, ito, ilalaban natin. Let's go, my friend. Boy, palitan natin ng defense mode. Oops. What? Tumali ba? Oh, what? Spin tail? What? That's, wait, spin tail yan ah. Dapat tawag na yan. Oh, yun, panalo siya sa first round. So, one win, pero isa pa. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, sumala na naman. Coast. Yan. Yun na nga. Tay. So, hey! Shush! Man, that's crazy. Bro, nag-burst pala. Oy, nag-burst pala yun. Hindi ko alam. Gulo-gulo pa. Dire-diretso. Motion technique. Back. Shush! That's right. Who is that? What is that? Attack mode, boy. So, go. Shoot. Hey! Bumalik si paring Achilles. Okay. So, mas better. What is that, man? Shoot. Hey! Yo. Go shoot. Oopsie. Sheesh. Man, that's working crazy. So, yun na nga mga kapare. Nakita natin mas malakas ang right spin, no, kaysa sa left, no. So yun lang naman, no. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Goodbye.